Subscribe to Civil Steps YouTube channel. Press bell icon to get latest updates.
Urea base subsidy or urea subsidy, a scheme by Department of Fertilizer which comes under Ministry of Chemical and Fertilizers. Now, government approved subsidy policy for urea produced through coal gasification by Talcher Fertilizers Limited. So this was the news. So it becomes important to cover urea subsidy. Now, the objective of this urea subsidy policy is to ensure timely and easy availability of urea fertilizers at affordable prices. Now, this policy is a central sector scheme that is 100% funded by the center government. Now, urea is being provided to the farmers at a statutorily notified maximum retail price, that is MRP. Now, the difference between the delivered cost of fertilizers at farm gate and the net market realization by the urea unit is given as a subsidy to the urea manufacturers or importers by the government of India. So it also includes free subsidy for movement of urea across the country. Now farmers are getting urea at affordable MRP because of the subsidy provided by the government. Direct benefit transfer system, which was introduced in March 2018. So subsidy payment will be given through this mode. That is, subsidy will be given to the companies and it will be given only after the actual sales to the farmer by the retailers. Now, each retailer is mandated to have point of sale machine linked to the Department of Fertilizers, one with a portal that is named E-Urvarak DBT portal. Anybody buying subsidized fertilizers is required to furnish his or her Aadhaar unique identity or Kisan credit card number. Now, the quantities of the individual fertilizers purchased along with the buyer's name and biometric authentication have to be captured on the point of sale machine. Now, only upon the sale getting registered on the E-Urvarak platform can a company claim subsidy, or you can say payment is remitted electronically to its bank. So what is the basically thing is that how subsidy is given in case of urea. For example, farmer visited to the company with its Aadhaar card or Kisan credit card. So he will show its Kisan credit card and or Aadhaar card, whatever, or any one of the document. Now, company will sell that product, will sell the urea to the farmer, and while it is selling, it has to keep the record that what quantity it is selling at what price, and accordingly company will get the subsidy. Now, when it is selling, it has to take money from Kisan credit card, that is from its point of sale device, which is linked to the one of the portal with the name E-Urvarak with the Department of Fertilizers. Then only that company is able to claim its subsidy portion from the concerned ministry. So in this way this scheme is working. So this is what you have to remember.